how to keep your wheatgrass berries or wheatgrass seeds nice and dry and fresh, and be able to use them for over a year. So we use one of these containers here, and this container I got off eBay for about £9, and it's an airtight container with a clip down lid. I've undone the lid so that you can see this video. We keep our wheatgrass seeds in here, or if you're in America, wheatgrass berries, and they are lovely and fresh. These come from Brownhill Farm in the UK. They're not quite organic, but they are seeds that have not had any pesticides, herbicides, fungicides or any chemicals used in their production. And I've been using these seeds from Brownhill Farm for a very long time. These buckets are fantastic. As I said earlier, they are airtight, so they clip down, as you can see, and that gives you a nice airtight seal. I keep mine in my wardrobe and it's nice and dry in there. You don't want these containers to be in a damp area really, although they are airtight and they are pretty good at storing seeds almost anywhere, but I would suggest not in a damp area, and you don't want them too hot. This container, although these won't last a year because they'll be used in the next few months, we go through quite a lot. But as I said earlier, you could be looking at over a year with these containers, and if you've got good seed, like the seed we've got, you can look probably for about 18 months, although Brownhill Farm state in their paperwork about a year. So that's how to keep your wheatgrass berries and seeds nice and fresh and lasting a very long time. And just to add, I get a very good germination rate out of these seeds. So if you've liked this video, perhaps you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please comment down below and let us know where you are in your wheatgrass journey. So we wish you a very good and happy wheatgrass life and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.